comment guys, comment. Hello to mga patiran sana higa. Yeah. Shout out. Shout out everybody. Shout out everyone. Share live, share live, share live. Makakonect. Share live. One viewers. Please comment down. We talk I'm feeling glad because my revenue this time is getting higher. So I feel glad I feel blessed because this is very important to me as a single mom because I don't have partner, I don't have job. So I work here in YouTube just to say hi. Hello, how are you to all over the world? Hi everyone. Because wait guys. I hope someday I have a place to stay where I go live. But now I have my house that is finished, so a time where I have get my good revenue or repaint this room and so many change inside. Hello to my 106 viewers. Hi to my 106 viewers. My room is messy because my son, when he play what's called house, he mess messy.